If you want to eject the SIM tray on a OnePlus 15R, then we need to take a look at the bottom of the phone where we can find the SIM tray over here in this place. On the SIM tray, we also have the SIM tray hole, so we're gonna use the eject tool that you can find inside the box, and we need to put it inside this hole. So it's gonna look like this. Once you put the eject tool into this hole, you want to push it into the phone with a little bit of force in order to make the SIM tray slightly pop out, so it looks like this, and then we can use our fingernails or fingers in order to remove the SIM tray from the phone. There we go. So now let's take a look at the SIM tray. Over here, as you can see, we have the SIM slot number 1, and on the reverse side we have SIM slot number 2. So now we're gonna insert our SIM cards. Let's match the shape of these slots and make sure that the SIM card is fully inserted and it doesn't stick out. If you have 2 SIM cards, then of course you can insert the second SIM card as well. Just make sure that you put it into the spot the right way. There we go. So this is how it looks like. Once you have your cards inserted into the SIM tray, we have to put the SIM tray back into the phone. So just slide it in. There we go, push it all the way into the phone with your finger and make sure that it is fully in and it doesn't stick out. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.